Okay, we're on the sterling yen today, GBP JPY with ITM Proteus suggesting a high probability outcome to the high side here, and we've just seen a medium strength rejection that has failed. So we're definitely heading north here with a very high probability of success. We're going to shoot for a $1,000 fixed investment here to the high side, just 50 seconds into the next 5-minute interval, and we'll come back to you shortly just before expiry. All right, we're back with roughly 37 seconds remaining on this sterling yen trade, and it has indeed been a sterling trade. Beautiful expansion all the way through to the top. We have seen a breakout situation here. What we took the trade at was essentially a failed retracement off of the medium strength boundary, and Proteus at the same time was suggesting a high probability outcome associated with any high moves taken at the time. In accordance with the strategy, with Proteus's suggestion, we took a high trade on the sterling yen here on the 5-minute time frame, targeting this move, which has now broken through the short-term reversal zone, the highest probability short reversal zone, and now expired in the money. So beautiful expanse. You can almost see the Elliott wave patterns there. There's your wave 2, wave 4 correction, all the way through to an expansive wave 5. As you know, Elliott waves exist on all time frames, and it's something that Proteus takes care of in its algorithmic function for traders. You don't have to do the analysis as a result. You can just let Proteus do such probability staking essentially. So we've now expired. The trade has been released by the platform. And what you're essentially looking at in ITM Proteus is the ability to not only have a leading indicator to your advantage on the right-hand side that projects with a high probability of success what is going to possibly happen in the future. And then on the left-hand side, you have the additional confluence metrics that are standard MetaTrader 4 indicators displayed to you in a more readable, easy to visualize manner instead of curves and graphs and lines all over the place that allow you to essentially look for what the market has done on the time frame of your choice up until this point in time. And on the right-hand side with ITM Proteus being a leading indicator gives you an indication of what the market is likely to do going forward, and associates a probability with the move on the right hand side with the line there at probability. When the probability is medium to high, as stated by Proteus, you have a good chance of securing good outcomes on trades. If you're a very aggressive trader, you can ignore the probability outcome suggested by Proteus and just go with the direction. For standard use, medium and high probability trades are probably your best bet, and it's always a safer, more secure strategy to follow the medium and high strength signals only. Proteus therefore encapsulates not only a leading indicator but also a set of MetaTrader 4 default lagging indicators all within one interface that is quite simply the easiest interface to use, because all you need to do is take one look at your chart at any given time and you know exactly what you're likely to do going forward. Thank you very much.